Thanks to Sony, it's possible to get a true flagship experience, but in a compact form factor. Because not everyone wants an absolutely massive phone, and Sony claims that the XZ2 Compact is the smallest device with a 5-inch screen available on the market today. It's just the right size to comfortably hold and carry around, while still being enjoyable to use for watching back content and taking pictures, or even gaming. Specifically, what the XZ2 Compact does is get you as close as possible to the specs of its big brother, which has a 5.7-inch screen. But it has to do this while avoiding the usual omissions and sacrifices which may taint other smaller devices, and that's not easy. Well, spoiler alert, Sony has done a fantastic job here, so let's take a look at what you get with the XZ2 Compact. Well, you get a beautiful 5-inch Full HD Plus HDR display with an 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes watching back content extremely good fun. Even if the content you're watching isn't super high quality to begin with, you'll get an amazing experience, as the HDR upscaling technology on this device, which is taken from Sony's excellent Bravia TVs, it works really well, rendering all content beautifully. Fortunately, this beautiful screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The HDR tech is also at work here when it comes to taking pictures and recording video. The XZ2 Compact does both incredibly well. Let's take a look at the camera tech in detail. What we're dealing with here is a 19 megapixel motion eye camera, and it's capable of extremely impressive results. The Exmor RS for mobile memory stack sensor on offer here is every bit as good as we'd hoped it would be, and works incredibly well, paired with Sony's award-winning f2.0 G lens. If you're the kind of person who likes the thought of going into manual mode to get the perfect shot, then you'll love the Sony XZ2 Compact. 4K HDR movie recording is excellent, and the Full HD super slow motion video capture at 960 frames per second is also a real treat, and we really enjoy the results. The fingerprint scanner on the back is super fast, although its placement on the back does take a bit of getting used to, especially if you're coming from older Sony phones, as they have typically the fingerprint scanner on the side. Music lovers, music watchers and gamers will love this phone too, as it has very good stereo speakers and high resolution audio support. It's a speedy phone too, as it's powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset along with 4GB of RAM. You'll get 64GB of onboard storage, and you'll have the option of using a microSD card for extra storage too, up to 400GB. This is one feature-packed flagship phone in a beautiful compact design. Check out our XZ2 deals over at directmobiles.co.uk. And remember, with over 23 years of award-winning customer service, whichever phone you choose, you will find it at Direct Mobiles.